Yasser, do you have any exercises on voice modulation?
Put your hand in your belly, please. Don't be ashamed. It's okay. I've got it too. Just face the audience. I'm going to ask you to just blow out air when I ask you. Blow out all the air from your mouth till it's completely gone. Your stomach will tighten up. And then I just want you to tell us about your day. Okay? Exhale completely, all the way out. Keep going. Just when you think it's out, keep going. Let's tell us about your day.
I had a great day with in the coaching session with Yasser. He taught me a lot of things about.
Is there any power in his voice? There's no air, right?
It's difficult for me to.
And you're probably cramping in your stomach, right? So what I want you to do now is when you inhale, think about when you inhale, there's a coil that's coiling up in your stomach, okay? When your belly is completely out full of air, when you speak, all the words come out with the breath, like a coil springing up. So it's gonna sound like this. My name is Yasser, okay? Same exact thing. So let's take a deep breath in the belly.
My name is Gaurav.
Do you see a difference? Deep breath.
My name is Gaurav. I had an amazing day today learning from Yasser.
How do you sound? Yeah. Give me my hand, everybody. If you would like to learn to speak like a CEO and do it in record time, check the video description for our resources and classes. I'll see you in the next one.